That's it, record right now. Here we are. Holy shit! Look at this. This is my, this is the mixture between an Amherst and a communist. Look at this guy running. Oh! He's going to sleep now. This guy here. See if we can get a good shot of him. He's pretty tame. Just jumped on some castings here. That's an Amherst Red Golden mix here. He's getting ready to go to sleep. There he goes. He's up in a tree right there. You can see him right up here. All right, now. Woo! Yo! Communist! Is this cool back here or what? It's amazing, ain't it? That's my big black Spanish turkey. Sleeping up in a tree. There's a couple rabbits. Get him in there. Oh shit. There we are. White peacocks. Hang on. Hang on. There's my purple peacock. You see that, Bruno? You see that one?
Yeah, very good.
That's a beautiful bird.
Beautiful.
See him? Oh, look at him run.
Yeah.
You see Bruno?
Yeah. He's running right now.
Yeah, he's still going. There he is. That's a reef. It's called a reef pheasant.
Very fancy.
Yeah. See, that's why you need this. You zoom in on him. Wait a minute. That's gorgeous, that bird. That's a mixture between two birds, a ringneck and an Amherst. Yeah, Brad Legg. Yeah, I'd like to see you got a peacock like that, my friend. That's very rare. Oh my God. A ringneck and an Amherst. I got to get that bird out of there and hold him. He's unbelievable, Bruno. That bird's amazing. Okay, this is showtime here, waiting for me to get here. Yeah. Huh. Okay. Going back to feed him. Easy, cowboy. There's the red jungle chicken. Those are my hamburgers. Silver hamburgers. Spangled hamburgers. There's a silver pied. Young male. Couple more back there. That's a Swinho over there. Yeah. You got a peacock like that walking around, George Connor? I don't think so. Red jungle chickens. young purple. Check out the neck. Brad, go with the purple. Lewis, you're out of the show. Where are you, Lewis? It's all your birds here. Lewis, that card. We can't forget about him. There's my black shoulder silver pod. This is a real show here. Here's my purple. That's not a cage. Just a fence. Check this out. They fly up and over it. This is all opened up. This is about, I don't know, 6 acres, 7 acres. And they can go wherever they want. They're hungry. That's why I wanted to do this. So now you see the whole show. All right, there's a little pigeon coop. Going back here. Very muddy back here. It was just snowing. It snowed. And then it rained. Very, very muddy. Oh, there's another show here. That's my female black shoulder silver pied. If you get a good look at it, you can tell. Okay, the pattern. There's the Goldens in there. I got some Amherst. There's a Reeve female. Yeah. I really want to show you. There's a Reeve over here. That's a show right there. Beautiful Reeve. All right, I got 2 of them. I got some rabbit hutches. We got the lettuce for the birds and the rabbits. Now we're gonna turn the show off. Let's go. Maybe we got some showing here. There's a little labor area I got here. It's a black Spanish turkey. Get the swing hook. Wait. Oh!
The first one we got here.
No, don't worry about that one yet. Get that Reeve. That's a Reeve. That's a beauty right there. And then this one up here is a black shoulder silver pie. Yeah. And that's an Oten silver pie. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a good movie. What do you think?
We can make this better.
Huh?
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Night.
Last night?
Yeah.
All right, let's give a surprise on the camera then.
Huh?
Let's put it on the camera.
You can see the nest in there if you stick it in there to the left. Can you squat down here and get... You gotta go all the way to the left in the back. To the right in the back, I'm sorry. You see the hair in there?
Yeah.
That's a nest. She just had some babies.
That's
Just
some new
last
babies.
night. Yeah. You see the nest?
Yeah.
I don't want to take them out, it's too cold. That's my lion head rabbit.
Where are they going?
That's the father and the mother and the baby.